welcome to another Discord.py tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make embeds, which are a cool way of showing text, and I'll also be doing some cool things with the reactions. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, I highly recommend you going back and watching them, unless you're already using the exact same things that I'm doing here. So today we'll be making custom embeds, and we'll be learning how to add reactions and detect when a reaction is added. So, to do the command, we do -embed, and we're doing this a bit like HTML. So we're putting tags. So you put name, title, sorry. And then inside you put the title. So hello, I am an embed. And then the description is just the description tags. It's kind of long-winded, but it works. And then fields, and then inside of that we want to do name, and then I am a field, and then close that tag, and then value, yes you are, and then we all close that off with the fields tag. There we go, and we can see that the title is hello, I'm an embed, and then the description is I'm a description, then the field is I am a field, and then the value of the field is yes you are. So that's how that works. And now, if I added a reaction, the bot would copy the reaction. So let's say I add that, and see, there's two reactions. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The reaction thing works on any message, and you can put anything in here. We'll be making it so you can only have 5 fields in the embed. And yeah, let's hop into coding. So to start off, we'll just be making a command if parts 0 is equal to -embed. Okay, there we go. Title equals message dot. Oh, I can't spell. Content dot split, and then it's going to be the title tag. Oh, I can't spell again. And then we're just going to copy that and paste it 2 more times, just with different names. So desk, and then as a description, and then field tag. Oh. So what these do is they basically split off the content of the message into different parts, and if we put a 2 tags, whatever we put inside the 2 tags will be read and displayed, but that won't happen until we do a bit more coding. So first we want to set embed equals discord.embed, and then we want title to be title and then 1. So that will make the title, and the description, the description. Okay, let's test this out. Let's run the code and go to Discord. This should just take this bit. Oh wait, I need to actually send it. I'm an idiot. What? And then await message.channel.send embed equals discord.embed. Oh wait, no, I don't need to do that. It's just embed. Okay, let's run that and hop into Discord. And still loading, there we go. It's online. So embed title tags. Oh. And let's just go wow. And then you can just make these like T, D, F, N, and V. That would be easier. However, I'm just going to do it like this for simplicity. Description, wow, that's a title. And then close off the description tags. And that should, there we go. So that's the title and that's the description. Nice. Back into code now. So now let's do something about the fields. This is slightly more hard, difficult, I mean. And we have to make a loop. So for I in range 5, because we only want 5 embeds. Now we want to try this, which basically means if there's an error, then it won't completely die. Now we want to make it so we only take the we only get the correct bits from the. So say we did 2 name tags, like name and then name, and then we went like name in here, and then we put the value here, and then the value here, and we call it value. So if we didn't have this thing that I'm going to do next, it's gonna. So if I have another field, which most people normally do, then that will then take that as the name for the next field. So it messes everything up. So we need to do a little bit of maths. So we need to do if I percentage 1% does not equal 0. Oh. So what that does is basically so that finds the remainder of it, and if the remainder is not 0, so what we're doing is we're getting every third, every odd number, and this works. Now it rules out like the secondary ones, so we don't get the weird tags in a field problem. So we do name is equal to field tag 1, so that bit up there, dot split. Oh. And then we want to split it by name. And then we want to copy that once more and just do that with value. Oh. And value. Oh, and then, okay, there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check if value and name exist. So it's just if value I, so it's if they exist, and then if name I. Now I could do this in one if statement, but I prefer doing it like this. And then all we need to do is embed dot add field name equals name. Oh, I need to actually type correctly. I. So that basically gets that and it. So the number is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so that's either 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5. And then value equals value I again. And then there's one more field that we need to put in, which is inline. Now I don't really understand inline, but it's needed. Otherwise, it just completely just throws everything off and it won't work. Now we just need to put an accept statement in here, and then we'll print field was not given. And then we'll also just put an error just in case. So now let's run this, hop into Discord, And now let's try this. I'm just going to copy and paste this up from here. So this whole thing should work. Now I send that, and there we go. Now, if you want to do this for multiple fields, you can just do that. I'm just going to copy this, paste. Okay, there. Just to make, just to show that I'm not just using a pre-recorded thing, which I'm not. And then we get rid of this field tag, and there we go. See, it makes 2 fields. It's good. It only works for 5, otherwise it'll get overloaded. And if we go back into the code, then it prints field was not given, list is out of range. List and index is out of range is basically like it's not there. So that error is usually fine. So there we go. Here is the embed. It's the longest command we've done so far. It took me quite a while to figure out actually how to make it because I couldn't figure out how to get the tags to not do the overlapping thing. So now let's move on to reactions. So at client.event, and then we remove those, and then async def on reaction add reaction user. So we take the reaction that's added, and then we take who added the reaction. So now we try this because if many people add the same reaction, then it's gonna mess up. And then we're going to say if user is not equal to client.user. So this basically prevents the bot from looping and giving a lot of errors. Otherwise, it adds a reaction and then it detects its reaction and then it adds the reaction again and so on and so forth. And then it's simple await reaction dot message dot add reaction. It's kind of hard to actually do that. And that's it. Oh wait, no, except. So just print the error. Okay, right. So now if we run that and hop into Discord, and this only works for messages that the bot has picked up that it's sent. So if I added a reaction to this, it wouldn't ping it. It would just so if I added that, it wouldn't double it because it's not in the message cache. So if I just spam, because why not? And then I add a reaction, then it also adds a reaction. Yay, that works. Okay, good. I think I have the time for a bonus little section, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I am going to detect an editing event at client.event, and then move the tags async def on message edit. And then we want to pass in the before and then the after. So the reason we want to do this is it detects what was the original message and the message that it is now. And we're just going to send what was the first and the second in an embed. So embed, embed equals discord dot embed, and then title equals before dot author. I'm not sure if this will work. It might do, it might not, but okay. Edited a message, and then description equals let's just make that before, and we'll make a field after, and then embed dot add field name equals We'll call this after, and then actually before this we'll do before, and then we'll do this, and then we'll do /n, \n. So what that does is it creates a new line. So now we'll do the same here, and then we will make that an f string, and then after. Okay, so then I need to make the value for that. You can't do value equal none, otherwise that'll display none. So I'm going to say, wow, nice edit. And then inline equals false, because inlines suck. And then we want to do await before dot channel dot send embed equals embed. Right. Let's run that and pop into Discord. Now let's send a message. So I'll just go like, I don't know. Hi, I'm that one coder. Oh wait, that's spelled wrong. So I'm going to edit it. And then I do that. And there's probably an error somewhere. Hey, there it is. Okay, so I've got an error. So I will need to, so what I did was I made the name after, and then the value, the variable. So now I could go, hi, I'm that one coder again, and then I edit it, and then I go coder, and there we go. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, we had a very, very annoying error there. So we're gonna do if before dot author is not equal to the client dot user. Then we're gonna do this because it was just spamming. And also we need to put after dot content after that, and before dot content, because otherwise it just displays a lot of randomness. So we run that and like this. So we run that and then we head back into Discord, and yeah, a lot of spam. So we try to spell before and then we fail and we do that, and there we go. That one Cuba editor doing that. Message before is bofra and after is before. Nice. So this works basically for like as long as you want. So I can just spam, and then I can just send it and then edit it and be like, lol, rip, wrong chat. And then it's, yeah, so it works. So yeah, nice. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, peace out.